review and walkthrough.
Recording is now in session. Lovely crab cakes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Lee and I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you how I do my crab cakes. So come on over here and let me show you what I'm doing. So for this video I am going to be using some live blue crabs that I have previously cooked. I'm going to be using snow crab, not much because I love the live blue crab to make my crab cakes with because it has a better flavor and taste. That's my opinion. You're welcome to use whichever type of crab you want, whether it's the king crab or the snow crab or the live blue crab. It doesn't matter, or the Dungeness. So I have my crab here. I have a little bit of mayo here. I have some green peppers, some yellow and red peppers. I have some regular mustard here with a tad bit of honey. I don't know if you can see that because I'm not using no Dijon or nothing. I have an egg. I have some butter, onion. I have 2 previously sliced lemon and lime. I got some Parmesan cheese, some panko, some breadcrumbs, Italian, garlic powder, chopped chives, crushed red pepper, and my acid, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and peel my crabs and get the meat out of them. And when I come back, I'll show you how I mix it. Okay guys, so I've gotten my crabs all cleaned out, my snow crab and my live blue crab. So I'm going to go ahead and start my mixture. I'm going to go ahead and put my crab in this bowl here. And to that, I'm going to add some mayo. Don't need a whole lot. I'm going to add my green peppers. I'm going to add my yellow peppers. Sorry guys. I'm going to add my red peppers. Had a little bit of an interruption. I'm going to go ahead and add my honey and mustard. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, not much. Oh, and a seed dropped. You got to get that seed out of there. I don't want to be eating a seed. A little bit of lime, just a tad bit, not much, because I don't want to take away the natural flavor of the crab. I have an onion here. I'm just going to get a little bit of shave off because the onion tends to change the flavor a little bit, give it a little different flavor, and I don't want it to really change the flavor, but I do like a tad bit of onions in there. So see how I'm just shaving over the top of that? Now you can put whatever desired amount of onions or peppers or whatever you want in yours, but this is what I chose for mine. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of chopped chives. I'm going to go ahead and add my red pepper. And you, like I said, you don't have to use these seasonings. I'm going to add a tad bit of Old Bay. I don't like a lot of Old Bay in my crab cake, so just a tad. Well, if it acts like it don't want to come out. I'm going to go ahead and add a tad bit of garlic powder. I don't want to put too much because I don't want to take away the flavor. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my panko. Sorry, I keep saying panko. I don't know why it's panko. You don't need a lot. These are breadcrumbs also. But I like to add a little bit of the Italian breadcrumbs also because I just love the flavor of the Italian. I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 egg. And the egg is going to help hold it together. I'm going to go ahead and give this a little stir. My egg really is acting like it doesn't want to mix up. Okay, now I don't have the little crab cake platter, so I'm going to be using my measuring cups. And I'm going to use the 1/2 cup measuring cup. And I'm going to stuff this in there. Try to squeeze out any excess juice if I have to. I'm going to take my butter here and go ahead and coat the pan. And you know, olive oil is good to use, but for me, I'm going to use the butter. And I do have olive oil, but I'm going to go ahead. So I put my butter in there. I've done my first crab cake that I'm going to go ahead and just put it over there. Get it out the best way you can. And I'll go ahead and do a second one. And guys, this is only because I don't have the little metal pan that it goes into. So I'm doing it with this. I'm going to do 4 of these. Now these are going in the oven, but they don't have to go in the oven. If you like, you can bake these or you can fry them. It doesn't really matter. Mine are a little bit more wet than usual, but that's okay. When they bake, they're going to bake up just fine. And that's why I added all the breadcrumbs and stuff. And I garnish that off with a little bit of red pepper. You guys know I have, not much. A little bit more chopped chives. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of breadcrumbs on the top. Now I preheated my oven to 475, and I'm going to let these cook 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll be right back with the results. Okay, come on over. So these are the end results of the crab cake. Now my crab cake had started falling apart because I had it a little too runny. So what I did was took some aluminum foil and set it around it and let it cook like that, and I went ahead and removed that. And I'm going to go ahead and set this up for you and garnish it off and show you how it looks. And these are the end results. Follow this recipe and this is what you'll come up with: delicious crab cakes. They are so delicious. Now like I said, you can fry these if you want to, because I love them fried or baked. It doesn't matter. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, cut.